Setup's easy. Remove the wall ball counter from the box. This one magnetically attaches to the wall. Add the power bank to the side. Get it the right way up and plug it in to the bottom of the unit. You can also attach via mains cable. Now we've just attached the sensor, and we're going to remove the sensor from the box, and again attach the other end of the sensor cable and place it on the wall. This one's attached magnetically, but you can also bolt it if you've got a rig. Putting the ladder to one side, we're all set. The unit's booted up in the time it's taken us to do this, and we're ready to go. Here's our set, just a quick 10, and I've sped through that. Hitting the green button resets the counter and sets it back ready for the next set. Now we're going to place the sensor onto an existing wall wall plate. So we put it in the men's position to start with, just making sure it's straight, and we're going to grab another cable, plugging the cable into the bottom of the unit. Bring the cable down and plug it in place of the other sensor. Again, moving the ladder out of the way. This sensor is ready to use straight away. I'm just going to reposition the mat. Ready for another set. Again, let's speed through that. Another quick 10. Okay, now we're going to reposition the sensor from the male position to the female position, and we're just going to carefully drag it down. Move the ladder again. And we're going to just reduce the count from 100 to 10 and do another set of 10. Speed through this. There we go. And there's our time, 18 seconds, pretty good. Okay, it's time to put the WallBall counter away. So let's just open the box, take out the top layer. So we're ready to put our sensor back in. Climbing the ladder carefully, unplugging the sensor and wrestling against the magnets because it's pretty strong, but eventually you can pry it off with your fingers and place that back in the travel case carefully. Next we're going to just retrieve the cable, remove it from the counter itself, and coil it up carefully, put it in a pocket. Again, we're going to just unplug the power, and we're going to have to wrestle a little bit to get it off the magnets. There it comes. And I'm going to pop that just out of frame into the case. Close the case, and we're off. All done. Another day's training complete.